Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter system section, go to the advanced, then go to the about phone section, and here you have to find the line build number and tap on it several times with your finger until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find your developer options here at the system section. Here they are, all of our very interesting and very useful developer options. You can get access to them and get to know with them by yourself. You can also disable them here, and after that they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.